Assalamualaikum my dear friends. How are you all? आप सब कैसे हैं? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Today we are going to be making summer theme birds. Let's get started. Oh, we have some guests here, friends. Do you remember the little bear we made in my last video? Isn't it cute? I just gave it a little bow and a little drink. Okay, now let's start with a little birds theme that we decided for our Play-Doh. So first we take a little bit of brown. We don't have time, so I just made it already. You just have to make it look like a potato. Like that. And then the wings you just have to flatten a little bit of Play-Doh and just corner it like that. Okay, now we are going to make the same like that. Okay, next we are just going to take a little body, and we also have to leave a little bit of gap for the face. So we're just going to put it right here like that. Put the wings on the potato. Like that, just like that. And now we are going to make the tail. How to make the tail? You first roll a little bit of clay and you just have to flatten it out and flatten it from here. Then you're just going to put it right here, like that. Now that we have made a little body part, we're just going to take a little bit of yellow clay, very little bit, like this much. And then we're just going to stick it right here. And we are going to actually corner it, kind of make like a little cone and a little pointy part to make it look like a little beak. Next, we're going to make some eyes. So you guys probably know how to make some eyes. You just roll it up and just put it on the little bird. It looks so adorable. Put it right here. So I already prepared the little mama bird because we didn't have time, and now we're just going to make the feet. So the feet, you just have to roll it out just like that and just put it right on the bottom, not on the top, just here, so that it can sit on the nest. So we're just going to make a little nest. How to make a nest? You take a little bit of clay and you just make a little bowl out of it. A little bowl. If you want, you can take some green and add a little bit of green on it to represent the leaves they used. But instead, I'm just going to use this because we don't have time. Next, we are going to make the eggs that are going to be in the nest. So how to make eggs? Eggs are very, very easy to make. You just take a little bit of clay, roll it out into a little ball, and just point it at the tip, just like that. You can fix it. And we're just going to put it right there. I'm just going to make 2 eggs to make it look a little more appropriate. Add one egg. Now both of them can sit inside the little nest. Go on, little mother. Sit in your nest. And the little mama is going to sit in the nest too. They're both sitting in the nest. Now we are going to start to make the swan. How to make the swan? Now we are just going to, for the swan, we're going to take a little bit of white clay. We're going to take a little bit of white clay, and now we're just going to separate a little bit of this. Now we are first going to make the body, the neck. So we're just going to set that aside. To make the neck, you just have to roll it out like this and leave like a thick part, like a Harry Potter wand. But just now shape the forward part and curve it like this. Then it becomes like a little pipe and like an S. So now that you have your little body and neck, now we're going to start with the body. Now for the body, we just have to roll this out, and we also have to make like a little tear shape, just like this. And then we have to shove it upwards and make it look really nice and beautiful, or else it will turn out pretty weird. So Now that you have your curved teardrop, just like this, and the tail has to be a little bit like the duck. Now we're just going to stick the neck on. Also, you have to shape it kind of so that the swan's neck does not tilt like this way. Next, we are going to make the swan's wings. To make the swan's wings, it's very easy to make the swan's wings. You just have to take a little bit of white clay, and unlike we did with the sparrow, we just have to, like, instead of making it plain, just all straight, we are going to take it and curve it upwards like we did with the body. You have to make like a swan's body, but just flat, like a sticker. And then attach it onto the swan's body. Wow, it looks so elegant. Elegant one. And I just made the other one right here because then the video will get too long. So let me just attach that. Next, we are going to make the eye patches. So to make the eye patches, we just have to like shape a little diamond. Just shape a little bit of a diamond. I'm sorry if my hands are pretty dirty. So we just stick the little diamond right here. Shape it out if the diamond kind of gets a little bit flattened. I'm just going to keep it upbeat like that. Blend it in this way. Try to make like a teeny line. And you can now add the little eye. I'm not going to use black because it's going to look like, and it's just going to match it, and it'll just look like a plain dot. So now I'm just going to make the other side of the swan. So you have to keep it blended. You have to blend them together into the middle because then you can fix the beak on and nothing will be seen. So. And it will also be clear, and also leave like a gap right here to make the little line part. Connect them together. It's okay if you don't connect them fully, but just connect them like that. Now I'm going to make the little eyes. If you want, you can make the eyes like dark blue or just purple or any color you want. Now we are going to make the beak. To make the beak, you need a very little piece of orange. And you have to figure out the size by putting it on the swan, and then you can measure it how it looks on the swan. Now you can keep the beak straight, but I'm just going to make it look prettier and add this. I'm going to add a little curve like a parrot's beak. Swans usually have. And now I'm just going to stick it right here. Here is the beautiful swan. Okay friends, so right now because we didn't have, like, the video will become long, I made this little pond here for the swan. You can make the flowers and the little pool, the little lake that the swan is swimming in. Okay guys, now that the penguin is done, let's make. Now that the swan is done, sorry for the penguin, now that the swan is done, we are going to start to make the penguin. Okay, so now let's start to make the penguin. For the penguin, you will need black, white and some other colors too. Okay, let's start. So for the penguin, we will just start to make the little penguin body. So just have to make a little long elongated potato, and just make 2 little flippers. Squash potatoes. And now we're going to make the inside white part. So it's going to replicate the eye part and the little belly part. So if you have any like master tools or anything, I'm just going to use a toothpick. So flatten your little part out and measure it onto your penguin. Just like this. So now I have the perfect shape. And then use your toothpick and poke it into the middle by your very tip. Now it's going to look a little bit weird like this, but now at least you have a template to fold it downwards. Fold it downwards and start to shape it just like this. Shape it until you get like a little flat cat shape without a tail. just going to stick it right here onto the penguin. By the way, we're going to make an adorable little cartoonish penguin. Next, we are going to make the little hat. To make the hat, you will take a little bit of pink clay and you will just have to curve it at the end just like this to make a little hat shape. Also hollow it on the inside to make it easier to fit the penguin head. And to add a cute little detail, roll a little bit of white clay out and stick it on to the little hat. I am now going to add the eyes. You guys probably know how to make the eyes. Just use black and just add it on. Oh my god, this is so cute. And you also have to add highlights because you know it does not look good all black. Not staring at you guys. Next, we are going to make the little scarf. We are going to make a type of like realistic little scarf that usually people wear. So now you have to take a little bit of pink or any color of clay and you have to roll it out like this. Roll it out and press it down from here. Now that you've pressed it all down, you have to wrap it around the little penguin. Use the back first and just wrap it around like this. Leave a little bit of space between the eyes because that's where you'll have to put the beak. Cut it off at the end and just blend it in like this. Just like that. Now we are going to take a little bit more of pink and we're actually going to make like a little square shape or rectangle shape and just put it right here. Like usual scarves, you know, when we like wear them and tie them at the end, this part comes out and it has a little tuft at the end, so we're just going to make that tuft. Wow, it looks so realistic. Next, we're going to make the little beak. The beak is so easy to make. You can either make like a ball and just stick it on like that, but I'm just going to make a miniature ice cream cone and just slowly stick it. Oh, that looks so cute. Now, we're going to make the penguin feet. To change up the colors a little, I'm going to use some yellow. This yellow looks a little bit too yellow. I'm going to mix a little bit of orange to make it kind of like a lightish caramelish color for the penguin's feet. Okay, now that your color is all mixed up, you're going to separate the color into two parts and stick it on the penguin's feet. Oh, it looks so cute. And now add the little penguin flippers. Okay, now this is how the penguin looks like. Now we're just going to start setting everything. We're just going to put this one here. And the penguin, the adorable penguin right here. Now where's the little top part? So friends, I hope you liked this video of me making bird-themed little animals. That's all for today's video.